What's up, everybody? Day 10 in the One Funnel Away Challenge. Let's get into it. So I totally forgot to, I recorded the whole video and I completely forgot to hit the record button. That was sad. That's disappointing. I got all the way to the end and I go to stop the recording and oops. Anyways, for the second time today, welcome back to the channel. I am Jake and this is the Pleb Life channel. We are taking the One Funnel Away Challenge right now. We are day number 10. Yeah, 10. Let's just jump right in since I've already done this twice, and I know you don't know this, but I've already told you all this. Does that make sense? So, today is all about offer sequencing. Basically what that means is how to put your offer together, how to figure out what goes where, and it's all about the testing in the end. Let's go over what Russell says. Russell pretty much just saying, literally write out all the product ideas you can think of and kind of categorize them in those four categories we talked about in the previous videos. Now, if you haven't watched any of the previous videos, there will be a card posted up top. I'll also put a link to the playlist for the One Funnel Away Challenge down below in the description, so check that out if you haven't already, and subscribe as well. Back into it. You want to kind of gather all those product ideas, separate them into the four different categories, and then you use that list to kind of pull down pieces and plug it into your offer. And he used this little PDF as an example. So did Julie Stoian in the next video, and I'll talk about that in a second. So you would pull one of those products out and put it on your squeeze page here, and that's the thing you're going to offer for free. And hopefully to pull in a bunch of people because they want that free, awesome product. And he does say to pick one of your better products for that as well. So that's pretty cool. That way you kind of tease them with something they really want. And yeah, and you just do that for the sales page, you do it for the order bump, you do it for the upsell, you just keep plugging in stuff. Pretty much, he says, go test it after that. And if it doesn't sell, then it's because your offer sucks. So you want to go in there and redo it, or start moving stuff around, plugging different things in where. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole video for Russell. It was pretty simple, pretty obvious, and extremely helpful. All right, the next video down here is Julie's. All she does is walk you through her offer building process, and she actually used the same piano example in the previous videos as well. But she just created her offer right in front of you and recorded the whole process. It was pretty cool, and she does have a different strategy than Russell, which I can appreciate it. I really like that they're teaching us multiple ways to build an offer and kind of plug everything in. But yeah, that's Julie's video. Let's jump over to Steven. Steven, okay, let's play it. There we go. Still, to this day, my favorite part about this channel. Anyways, Steven Larson, for the first half of this video, actually goes into like kind of a motivational spiel type thing. Kind of a, what do I call it? Like a warning? Kind of like a keep your head up type thing. Pretty much he's explaining that as you're trying to succeed in business, you want to seek out groups and friends that help you grow. That way you have that support. You always want to be around people that are going to encourage you to do more, to do better, and to grow as a person and a business person. And he does explain that doing this and going through this process is going to change your personal life. You're going to notice some friends that kind of just distance themselves. But he says that's okay, because in the end, those people aren't going to be the ones that were supporting you in the first place. It might suck, but in the end, it's for the better. He does just say to just keep pulling through. That's normal in any kind of situation in life. The second half of this video, though, he does go into a little bit of teachings. He goes over three different numbers: CTA, which is cost to acquire; ACV, which is average cart value; ACV. I can't talk, which is potential average cart value. And in his example, he says that a $25 item that you're selling only gives you, no matter what, average cart value of $25. If your cost to acquire is $22 and the only amount you can ever make is $25, you're only making $3, and then you have to pay for the item and ship it out. You're not making anything. You're negative. So the way you do it is to add upsells, you add bumps. That raises the potential average cart value, which will also raise your average cart value. Because it gives the customer more opportunity to buy from you. Now he does set up. He does kind of set up another one of his. He does his own offer creation process. Once again, completely different from Russell and Julie. I mean, he kind of pulls in some aspects of what they do. Each one of them teaches something different, and I really like that because you get multiple versions of doing the same thing. You get multiple ways of doing offer creation. You get everyone's thoughts on it. So just pick one, go with it, and see which one you like. Steven does mention one pretty important thing that I completely agree with. He says, don't scratch the same itch twice in a funnel. If you solve the problem of losing weight, don't then sell another weight loss workout, because in the customer's mind, that problem's already solved. And this is the template right here that they kind of have. Okay. I had to make sure I was recording. So sad. Anyways, if you haven't already, like this video, I really appreciate it, and subscribe to the channel. I actually made a little PDF which kind of combined all three of their versions and the way they do it, and kind of combined them all into one way that I kind of like. Russell Brunson's like, hey, fill out your products, and here's like a quick little example. Obviously this wasn't done actually, like I kind of just filled in stuff for examples. Yeah, so you'd put your products here, list them all down there, and then you'd pull them over to your layout with the products you want. Yeah, so you got that down here, the potential average cart value, the average cart value, and the cost to acquire. And then you got your fears here, so you fill out all your fears and false beliefs, and those are the things you want to crush with your offer. So it kind of combines Steven's, it combines Russell's, with just getting tons of product ideas and throwing them at the wall, and then it also combines Steven's little strategy with the raising the average cart value as high as possible, obviously. And then here, this is also Steven's. If you guys are interested and you want to check out this PDF, this was actually, I made this for me, so but if you guys want to use it, I'll leave a link somewhere in the description. I don't know how, I think I can just share it. I'll have it somewhere down there, so if you guys want the PDF, you want to check it out and use it for yourself, then more power to you. Yeah, that's Steven's first video. Let's jump back over. We got Steven's second video. This is actually the first time he's ever had 2 videos in one day that I can recall. This one's all about affiliate marketing, which is great if you're an affiliate marketer. I have some interest in it, so obviously I enjoyed it. If you're not an affiliate marketer, you really don't necessarily need to watch this. I did like one thing though that he added in. It was the email marketing afterwards. They haven't covered that at all so far in this challenge, and I feel like the email marketing after the sale is probably where you're going to make most of your money. But even if you're doubling your money every time you do it, it's still set. Like you have all these customers that are just sitting there on your email list doing nothing. You might as well send them emails. But yeah, he kind of does a quick little rundown of how he does it. But he does explain affiliate marketing step by step, how to create, or how he creates his offers. He explains what he puts where, why he puts it there, how he gets the information. So if that is something you guys are interested in, affiliate marketing, 2 things. 1, watch this video, and 2, I will be doing an entire series on that after this 30-day challenge is over. So make sure you subscribe and check that out. But I won't be doing that till after this is over. Let me clarify that. This is an intense challenge. I am having so much trouble keeping up with this. They said it was 1 to 2 hours a day. That is complete BS. It is 2 to 3 hours a day minimum. I mean, there was one day, like today, about 4 hours total. If you work a full-time job, this is going to be so hard. So just prepare for it. They say take it with other people. I disagree. That slows you down. I love my wife dearly, but she is waiting for her to finish stuff, because I don't want to do the homework without her, because this is her business. So it kind of straps me, even though I have to do these videos as a follow-up. I have 2 choices. I can either do it twice, do it for myself, print it out and do it for myself, or I can wait for her to do it or do it with me, which So far, it's been extremely inconvenient. My kid actually lost interest about day 4, so if that was your strategy to get your kid involved, then you're going to have to be a little bit more firm than I am, I suppose. Oh, that's right, we haven't covered Jim Edwards, have we? Jim, once again, tries to sell you funnel scripts. I am actually worried at this point that he's not going to teach us any copy. Now, I know that he is literally called the OFA Copy Hacks, but it seems like he's trying not to teach us copy specifically to sell us funnel scripts. I mean, he's taught us a little bit of research tips. Actually, he's taught us a lot of research tips, but beyond that, nothing else. He hasn't covered really any good solid practices aside from literally funnel hack everybody, copy hack everybody is what he calls it. Anytime you see something that you like that, kind of piques your interest as far as copy goes, literally copy it down and paste it in a notebook. His little wizards are pretty cool. I can see the benefits of it. Obviously, I'm interested in it. I would like to have it, but $800 for it is, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. We'll probably check that out eventually in the future. The fact that he has tried to sell that in every single video instead of teaching copy, like, I get why he's doing it. Yeah, he makes money off it. I get it. At least do it like one every other video or one every 3 videos. Or better yet, just don't say we need it. Actually try to teach us copy, which is the entire point of this course, in my humble opinion. But yeah, that's the summary of day 10 in the One Funnel Away Challenge. Woo, it's tough. This is a tough challenge. So if you think you're just gonna breeze through this sucker, you're not. It's gonna be a struggle. You do learn a lot. I mean, I've read Expert Secrets. I've read .com Secrets, which are both of Russell Brunson's books. If you guys are interested in those, I'll link those in the description as well. They're actually free. So, I mean, all you pay is, I think, $10 for shipping. But yeah, I'll link those in the description if you're wanting to check those out. But I've read both those, and a lot of what they're teaching is from those books. If you're a self-learner and someone that can learn from books and put what you learn from books into practice, that being said, seeing it and having them walk you through the procedures and processes has been pretty awesome. I read the books, but I didn't necessarily put any of the stuff to practice. In this, they're literally walking you through these 2 books and showing you how it's done, how they do it, and they're giving multiple points of view, so it's pretty valuable. So far, I'm pleased with the overall One Funnel Away Challenge. Obviously, if you look through the past few days, you're going to see me complain about a few things here and there, like the fact that Jim Edwards pitches funnel scripts in every video instead of actually teaching anything. So far, that's my biggest issue. But mainly because that's the one thing I wanted to learn. I was really looking forward to learning the copy tricks and tips, and I'm making this video last way longer than it needs to be. So that's it. Day 10 is over. You've been informed, and I can now go to bed. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the next videos. Like I said before, like 1,000 times, we are posting every single day. So come check us out. And post comments, guys. I'd love to talk to you guys. I'll see you all in the next video.